Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can delete Windows Update files to save some space or to restore some of the space, which is really you can do very easily. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to open File Explorer. I'm going to open File Explorer and then we have to go to the drive where the Windows is installed. For my case it is under C, so I'm going to access that drive and then here you will find Windows folder is there. We just need to click here and Windows folder will be opened. Now from here we have to find the software distribution. Once we find it, we have to double click on top it to access there. I am on that page, I mean this path location, and then over there you will find download. Just again access by double clicking and you will be here. So these files are the Windows 11 updates. You can delete this thing to save some space. Time to time Windows will download all the files over here, which is the Windows update. So once your update is finished, then you can come here, or time to time you can come here and you can find it and then you can delete it by selecting. Then you can right click or you can press this delete button to delete everything and it will be empty. See here, this much space it already consuming. So basically these files we don't need. We can remove this thing and the Windows update files will be removed from my computer and we can restore this much space. So that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching the video.